Squidward, how many are you eating? Squidward! Squidward, you can't eat all those patties at one time! Squidward!
What's gonna happen? Am I gonna blow up?
No, worse! It'll go right to your thighs!
My thighs?
And then you blow up!
Please stand by for a message from civil authorities.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Blocky's Funny Doings International. Here's a prank. If you take a bubble recovery center and you drill a hole into the recovery center, pour thumbtacks into the recovery center, and watch bubble pop infinitely. Ha 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 ha.
This program was brought to you by Blocky's Funny Doings International.
Your mother home. Mom! What's all that yelling? You just can't wait for me to die, can you?